real numbers. Real numbers consist of two numbers: rational number and irrational numbers. What is rational number? Rational number are the numbers which can be expressed as P by Q form. Numbers which can be expressed as P by Q form. For example, all the positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and all the negative integer minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, all the fractions 1 by 2, 3 by 4, etc., because all these numbers can be expressed as P by Q form. How? You can write 1 as 1 by 1, 2 as 2 by 1, and 3 as 3 by 1. In P by Q form, when you expressing in a number in P by Q form, Q's P and Q should equal to an integer. P and Q is integer and Q is not equal to 0, because if Q is equal to 0, then the number will be undetermined. So all these numbers can be expressed in P by Q form. So all these numbers are rational numbers. In irrational number, the numbers which cannot be expressed in P by Q form are called irrational numbers. Numbers which cannot be expressed in P by Q form, for example, value of root 2, root 3, root 5, value of pi, that is 22 by 7. If someone write root 2 as root 2 by 1 and then called it P by Q form, then it will be wrong. Why? Because value of root 2 is 1.1412135, something like that. So in P by Q form, P and Q should be an integer, but here value of root 2 is 1.14 something by 1. So value of P is not integer, so that is why this number cannot be expressed in form of P by Q form. So these numbers are rational numbers. We are going to study two basic theorem. First is Euclid division theorem, and second is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So fundamental theorem of arithmetic. First we are discussing about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. In fundamental theorem of arithmetic, this is used to find the factors of a given number. What are the factors of number? Factors are the number. For example, if you are given a number 220 and you have to find the factors of 220, then you can see that the number is even, so the number is divisible by 2. So you divide the number by 2 and conclude 110. Again the number is even, so again divide the number by 2, but this time number is not even, but it can be seen that the number is divisible by 5, so that's it, 11. So the factors of 2020 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 11. So this can be written as 2 square into 5 into 11. So this is the factorization of 220. This is the factorization of 220. 2 square into 5 into 11. So this is called fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Use and why we. What are the use of fundamental theorem of arithmetic? Fundamental theorem of arithmetic is used for prime factorization, and to evaluate HCF, LCM. Prime factorization. What is prime factorization? Factors of the number are always in the prime form. Factors of number are always in prime form. For example, if you are calculating the factors of 500, again you can see the number is even, so divided by 2. Again the number is even, so divided by 2. But this time number is not even, so you have to find the numbers. You have to check which prime number can divide the number. For example, if you are checking with 2, this does not divide 125, so you have to check with 3. 3 also does not divide 125. Then it comes to 5. Just 5 divides 125, and this evaluate 25. Again 3, 2, 3 and 5 divided, and the number is 5. So the factorization of 500 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So we can write it as 2 square into 5 cube. That means 500 can be written in the prime factorization form as 2 square into 5 cube. 2 square into 5 cube. In this way you can evaluate the factor of number. For example, if you try to evaluate the factors of 12 and 36, 1236, this is the prime, this is the even number, so it can be divisible by 2. So when you divide it by 2, the number is 618. Again it is a prime number, so divide it by 2, 309. This is not a prime number, so you have to check whether the number is divisible by 3. So again the number is divisible by 3, so 103. 103 is 103 is divisible by any of the prime number. You have to check with 2, no. 3, no. 5, no. 7, no. 11, no. 13, no. 17, no. 19, no. 21 is not a prime number. 23, 29, So this is not even divisible by any of the prime numbers. So factorization of 1236 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 103, because 103 is itself is a prime number.